Is there extraterrestrial life in the universe? Today, we're not going to talk about unverified theories. Instead, let's look at this question purely from a spatial perspective. Our solar system has only 8 planets, and yet life emerged here. Now, think about this. How many stars are there in the Milky Way? Based on data from the Hubble Space Telescope and the Kepler mission, astronomers estimate there are between 200 and 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. And more than 75% of those stars may have their own planetary systems. That means just in the Milky Way, there are hundreds of billions of planets orbiting stars. Among them, Earth-like planets are not rare. Scientists estimate that roughly 1 in every 5 stars has an Earth-like planet located in its habitable zone. If that's true, then the Milky Way alone could have billions of planets similar to Earth. But here's the thing. The Milky Way is just a tiny drop in the vast ocean of the universe. In the observable universe, there are about 2 trillion galaxies, and many of them are just as large as, or even larger than, the Milky Way. Take the Andromeda Galaxy, for example, our closest galactic neighbor. It's more than twice the size of the Milky Way and contains about 1 trillion stars. Now let's do a conservative estimate. If each galaxy has, on average, 200 billion stars, and there are 2 trillion galaxies out there. Multiply that out, and the number becomes almost incomprehensible. And remember, that's only the observable universe. Beyond that, who knows what else is out there? There could be realms we can't even reach or imagine. Now, let's talk about time. Earth is about 4.6 billion years old, and our sun is roughly the same age. But in the grand timeline of the universe, our sun is not considered ancient. Astronomers have observed stars that are nearly 13.7 billion years old, almost as old as the universe itself. That means long before our sun was even born, the universe had already existed for billions of years. Plenty of time for other civilizations to emerge. And yet, the entire history of human civilization spans less than 10,000 years. So ask yourself this: over the vast cosmic timescale, how many civilizations might have already risen and fallen, their traces perhaps drifting in electromagnetic waves across distant nebulae? We may have appeared far too late, and we are far too small to hear those distant echoes. We still don't have definitive proof that alien civilizations exist, but statistically, the probability that we're the only ones is almost too small to take seriously. The renowned astronomer Carl Sagan once said, "If we are alone in the universe, it sure seems like an awful waste of space." So back to the original question, is there life beyond Earth? When we stop fantasizing, when we let go of myths and mystery, and instead view the universe through a calm, scientific lens, we begin to see that the real mystery isn't whether alien life exists. The real mystery is how unlikely it would be for it not to.